Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sinead Crowe and today I'm doing a super exciting video. So I really wanted to share my wedding journey with you guys. I've been watching way too much Real Housewives of Sydney, and honestly like everything is turning into an Australian accent right now. So I really wanted to share this exciting video with you guys. I'm like planning my wedding at the moment, and I really wanted to share more of my wedding journey, but honestly like my planning is zero at the moment. I've not been doing much, so hopefully when I do like my bridesmaid wedding try on, I can like film that for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see that. But I did just get my wedding shoes, so I really wanted to show you guys those because I feel like picking them was such a hard decision. So I thought I could talk you through it and then show you them. So it's going to be a really quick video, hopefully I won't blabber on too long. Before I get into the wedding part, I just wanted to tell you something super exciting that I have going on at the moment. So I've said this before on here, I'm a Pandora ambassador, so hence why I am like checked to the nines in Pandora. But I have something really exciting. So actually have a discount code with them for, I'm not sure how long, so I'll put the details in the description below. And when I'm filming this, I'm not sure what the code's going to be, but I know it's going to be, I think, 15% off, which is amazing for Pandora. I have so many of their pieces, so I'm going to link all my favourite pieces below. And what I'll do is I'll link a few of my pictures with like my collection on. And let me just show you, like I'm obsessed with their rings, so I have lots of their rings on. This necklace is from their new collection and I love it. You can like have it as a double, you can have it as one, you could have it as just one that has like a long drop. There's loads of different ways to wear it, and then there's like the matching bracelet. You've got like the rose, you've got the reflections, you've got like the general ones, you've got bangles. There's so many different amazing pieces from them. So you should definitely check out the site if you want to get something for me yourself or for a gift to someone else, because Pandora don't do big discounts like that often. I'm not going to blabber on about it anymore, but I just thought I wanted to share that with you guys in case you wanted to treat yourself, or if you've seen me, because I always wear it, if you've seen me wearing it before and wanted to buy something but you weren't sure, now hopefully this will like help you make your decision. So the wedding shoes came the other day to my front door. Literally, Jack knocked, we got a knock on the door and someone came and hand delivered this, and Jack was like, what have you been ordering? I was like, it's my wedding shoes. But actually, very kindly, I can't even believe that I'm saying these words, Net-a-Porter have kindly gifted me my wedding shoes. Like, dream come true, honestly, just insanity. So I'm not gonna blabber on too long. Just the main gist of it, I'm getting married on November the 9th this year, so it's gonna be cold. So I found it really hard to find a pair of shoes because, in my opinion, I feel like sandals look better with wedding dresses. Like, I just couldn't imagine a closed toe with a wedding dress. So I have gone for sandals, even though it's gonna be November and I'm probably gonna get really cold feet. But I was like, do you know what? Doing it for, I think they're really cute shoes. And I wanted to get shoes that I will wear again as well. I didn't want to just get a pair of shoes that I'll wear for my wedding day and never wear again. And then I also wanted to get a small heel because me and Jack are the same height in flats, and it doesn't really bother me if I wear heels, but just for like pictures I don't want to be towering over him. So I thought I just wanted a heel because I feel like I walk better and it lifts me, but I didn't want like stilettos is the main thing. So, and then I also didn't really mind getting white shoes, but I wanted like, I don't know, I wanted either white or like metallic or something like I still wanted them to feel wedding-y, but I still wanted to be able to wear them. So that's like the main thing I was going with. So Net-a-Porter kindly said that I could spend up to £800 on my wedding shoes, and I actually didn't even spend half of that. I was kind of like, I wanted to get something I really wanted. I didn't want to get something just because I was like, oh, I want to use all of this free money that I've been given to spend. Do you know what I mean? So it wasn't meant, it was a voucher, but I didn't want to be like, I'm gonna get something for £800 because I can. So I think these are actually under 300 or maybe like 350. So it's from my favorite, one of my favorite brands, and I say favorite brands, but I haven't actually, this is the first thing I got from them, and it's going to be really hard for me to not wear them before the wedding. and I saw these on Song of Style and loved them, and I just think they're so special. So they're from By Far. I'll link them below, and I will link like alternatives, and I'm going to do a wedding shoes blog post as well with like pictures of these and other like good ones that are on the high street and high end and everything. So let's get into the wedding. They are these gold beauties. I feel like these are going to be Marmite. Not everyone will like them. They've got a really small heel, so they're going to lift me, and they're very on trend. They're very much like the 90s Sarah Jessica Parker Sex and the City kind of heel, and I love them. They've got this little bow here, which I think, let me put my hand in so you can see, it makes them look so special. Not much on the shoe, but they do stay on. They're very comfortable. I have done a little walks around in them, and this bow is not, I've tried it, you can't tighten them. They are how they are. This bow is actually a separate piece of leather attached, and I got them in a 41 because I am a 41 and they fit perfectly, and yeah, I just really love them. They have got other colours, but I just thought the gold would be so beautiful with my dress, which is kind of like, it's not shocking white, it's like more of an ivory. And yeah, I just can't wait. I'm definitely gonna try and share with you guys some kind of, maybe it might just be like a retrospective video with photographs of my wedding, because I just don't know if I want to film on my wedding day, or maybe I'll give my camera to someone else to just do some pictures, like videos of me in my dress in the morning. I'm not really sure, but I definitely want to share something with you guys, even if it's just me sat like talking about it. So you will see, and if you follow me on Instagram as well, like of course you'll see. But yeah, they're just beautiful. Actually, you can see the details way better if I leave the stuffing in. And I just think they're the most beautiful pair of shoes ever, aren't they? So I'm not going to blabber on anymore. I just wanted to show you my wedding shoes because it's like a really exciting moment for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below if you're like looking for your wedding shoes, or if you're like got any wedding things, or if there's any wedding things you want like to see me share, like any more things, because we've done things like menu tastings, but I feel like they're really boring. But if there's anything that I think is probably boring that you guys might want to see, then just leave me a comment in the description below. If there's anything you want to ask about Pandora, just leave me a comment as well and I'll get back to you. If you want to ask about sizing or like wear and tear, like I can tell you now, I wore all of this jewellery when I went to Thailand. It was very humid. I swam in the pool in it and it was all completely fine. I slept in it, showered in it, swam in chlorine, fine. So that's one thing that I can tell you. But yeah, anything you want to know or like questions about things, leave them in the comments below. And also thank you so much to Net-a-Porter for making my dreams come true with my dreamy wedding shoes, and also for the fact that I can say that my wedding shoes are gifted by Net-a-Porter is literally like insanity. Pinch me. Is this real life? So yeah, thank you so much. And thank you to you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and join my little family over here, and I will see you next time. Bye.